Mark,
You're not going to pull onto this fucking car.
Mark,
What?
my radars to go down your man.
Fuck off.
You just asked me to my radars.
No, it's alright. Hi, John. John. Fucking taxi driver I am.
Huh?
Well, tries to be. I gotta watch this. The wheels probably turned the other way, right? Yeah. And it's got. You got no chance. You got as much chance as I got a fucking my boat floating. Oh, he's pulled that. He's pulled that. He's trying to start it. He's trying to fucking start it.
Trying to what?
Start it. Are you videoing that? I fucking am. Fucking hell, he's gone. He's got over fucking over the green ground, Zach. What's happening now? He's rolling back. Get your waders on, John. John. Put your waders on. Give him a hand. Get your waders on. We waders. I'm putting this on fucking YouTube. Fuck me. He's going deep. Oh, you've lost it now. No, he's fucked. You've lost it altogether. Look at it now. Look at the tractor. Oh, fucking hell.
Turn it round, we've got something in drive, man. That's it. Oh, excuse me, eh? Excuse me, eh? I talk to the yard master like that. Have a bit of respect.